Hello dear learners, today I will discuss another problem of line integral in vector. Today's problem is if f is equal to xy I cap minus zj cap plus x square k cap and c is the curve, and what is the equation of c? C is given in terms of the parameter t. X, y and z are here independently given as a parameter of t. So here x is equal to t square, y is equal to 2t and z is equal to tq. So we have to evaluate the integral from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. F cross dr. So what we will do first? At first we will write down f and dr in terms of t. So as our given parameter f is equal to xy I cap minus zj cap plus x square k cap. So if I write down, what we get? X is equal to t square, y is equal to 2t I cap, z is equal to tq j cap. Again x is equal to t square. So it will be 2tq I cap minus tq j cap plus t to the power 4 k cap. It is our f. And what will be our dr? We know dr is equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Now x is equal to t square. So from these three equations, what we get? We get that dx is equal to 2t dt, dy is equal to 2 into dt and dz is equal to 3t square dt. Now we will simply put it down. Is equal to 2t dt I cap plus 2 dt j cap plus 3 t square dt k cap. Now we can take dt out of this equation. So what it will be? 2t I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3t square k cap dt. Now we will do simply the cross product of a cross dr. So if we put down, what we get? 2tq I cap minus tq j cap plus t to the power 4 k cap cross 2t I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3t square k cap dt. Now we can simply write it down as the matrix formulation. So it will be I cap, j cap, k cap, 2tq minus tq plus t to the power 4 2t to just 3 t square. So by cross multiplying this minus this, with I we get minus 3 t to the power 5 minus 2 t to the power 4. with j cap what we get? This into this minus this into this. So 2 t to the power 5 minus 6 t to the power 5. And with k what we get? This into this minus this into this. Minus means 4 t cube plus 2 t to the power 4. And finally what we get? And there will be obviously dt. And there will be obviously dt. So you can simply just write down I cap minus 3 to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 4 plus j cap 2 to the power 5 minus 6 t to the power 5 plus k cap 4 t cube plus 2 to the power 4 and dt. Now we have to integrate, if you remember, what the path C where t varies from 0 to 1. So we simply just take integration t is equal to 0 to 1 a cross dr. So what we will get? We get for I cap t is equal to 0 to 1 minus 3 to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 4 dt plus j cap 0 to 1. So basically both are 2 to the power 5, that means minus 4 to the power 5 dt plus k cap 0 to 1 4 t cube plus 2 t to the power 4 dt. Now this is simple integration. So what will be the first term? First term will be minus 3 into t to the power 6 by 6 minus 2 into t to the power 5 by 5. So this will be with I cap. What will be with j cap? With j cap we get minus 4 into 2 to the power 6 by 6. What we get with k cap? We get 4 into t to the power 4 by 4 plus 2 into t to the power 5 by 5. Now if we put the limit t is equal to 0 to 1, obviously all the terms contains t, so the second term will be 0 and simply we get the first term. So putting simply t is equal to 1, what we get? Minus 3 by 6 minus 2 by 5, so minus 4 by 6 j cap plus k cap is 1 plus 2 by 5. So our final answer will be this is nothing but half. So minus 10 minus 9 by 10 I cap minus 2 by 3 j cap plus 7 by 5 k cap. So this will be vector quantity, the line integral of cross product of two vectors, that will be vector quantity. And this is the final answer. So thank you for watching. I will come in my next lecture with another tutorial.